To load filament from the top on your Bambu Lab X1 carbon, tell the printer to load under the filament section and take the glass off the top. Push down on the retaining clip inside the hot end to release the PTFE tube, remove it from the clip on the cable chain, and move the tube out of the way. Wait for the printer to heat up. And then it will display a message to feed the filament on the screen. Push the filament down into the hot end, and it will take it from there. Once this is complete, a message will display asking if it has successfully extruded filament. If it has, go ahead and click Done. If it hasn't, tap Retry until it does. After this, it will purge the remaining filament from your previous material and then wipe the nozzle. Then you can change the color of the filament, and you can change the dynamic pressure control if you have a preset for it. Happy printing!